Today I'm going to discuss a very important case of Supreme Court in which the Supreme Court decided that the accused entitled to bail if trial not concluded in 2 years. In 2023, Supreme Court bench comprising of Justice Aminuddin Khan and Justice Athar Mullah issue a written order in the appeal of filed by an accused Mohammad Usman against the judgment of Lahore High Court in a murder case. The court accepted the bail application of the accused against a security bond of 2 lakh rupees. Facts of the case: the accused Mohammad Usman was arrested on 29/4/2021 because he was nominated in FIR number 139/2021 dated 30/3/2021, registered at Station Pulwama, District Sargodha, for committing the offence under section 302, 148, 149 and 109 of PPC. The petitioner was filed his first application seeking bail on merits, and it's dismissed by High Court on 27/9/2022. Then he filed another petition which was not pressed in order to avail the remedy of the fresh ground to delay in the conclusion of the trial. This ground had not reopened when the two petitioners were filed. Since the second petition was not pressed, therefore it was dismissed by the High Court via order dated 19/5/2023. Consequently, the third petition was filed on the solo ground of seeking bail on statutory delay. The petition was dismissed via the order dated 10/8/2023 on the account of non-prosecution. The petition filed a fresh petition and it was dismissed by the High Court via impugned judgment dated CRLP 1233/2023. The petition moved to Supreme Court. Decision: Supreme Court held a written decision and the author was Justice Athar Mullah, and its main points are: it is also not disputed that despite of more than 2 years of continuous trial of petitioner, the trial has not been concluded. Each time the charge had to be reframed, the court noted, adding the response to their respective queries. The learned State Counsel could not pursue us that the delay in conclusion of the trial could be attributed to the petitioners. The court noted that the petitioner was not at fault, and yet he said suffer the hardship of more than 2 years, adding to the pain and the close relatives of the petitioner suffered. Therefore, State Counsel has argued that the complexity could not be ruled out. The right of an accused to seek bail is a statutory ground, cannot be defeated by any other reason except on the grounds has been clearly described under the third and fourth provision of section 497 subsection 1 of CRPC.